In this video, I will be showing you how to create AI images in ElevenLabs. So let's get started. So first thing, just sign in using your ElevenLabs account, and this works even for the free plan also. So as you can see, I am having the free plan over here. So after coming into the home page of ElevenLabs, to the left we will be having this image and video. Click it, and here you will be having the image option. So just describe your prompt over here. So I will just paste this one, and here we can configure some settings. We can choose the image model of our choice. So they are having literally almost all the image models available. So we are having GPT image, Dream, Recraft, Nano Banana, Kriya, Kling. So much of stuff are available over here. So you can just choose the desired image model of your choice. And next is the aspect ratio. They are having lots of aspect ratio also. And next is the image resolution, whether it is 1K, 2K or 4K. And next we are having the quality and the number of image outputs. Just click on this arrow icon. Here we will be having this history, so where you will be able to view all the past image generations. We have got the image, and wow, that just looks absolutely stunning, and you can simply like download it. And I would recommend you to get the paid plan in case if you're going to generate a lot of images. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel and a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.